Condenser fan motor not starting in cold weather is super annoying, but you can totally fix it with some simple tricks like using a heater strip or installing a cold weather kit. Okay, so when your condenser fan motor won't start because it's freezing outside, first thing you want to do is check if the motor is actually getting power. Sometimes the cold just makes the motor stiff, and it needs a little help warming up to kick on. A heater strip is basically a small electric heater you can stick near the motor to keep it warm enough so it spins easily. If that sounds like more work than you want, a cold weather kit can be a lifesaver. It's designed specifically for your unit and usually has everything you need to keep things running smooth when temperatures drop. Also, make sure your fan blades aren't frozen or stuck because ice buildup can stop the motor from moving. If your unit is outside, try covering it with a breathable cover when it's really cold at night, but don't block airflow completely. Regular maintenance like cleaning debris and oiling moving parts before winter hits can save you some hassle too. Lastly, if you're not comfy doing this yourself, calling a pro who knows how to handle cold weather HVAC issues is worth it. One of the biggest problems people face with condenser fan motors in cold weather is ignoring ice buildup. Ice stops the blades from turning, and that can fry your motor fast. The fix here is clearing ice off and using a heater strip or cold weather kit to prevent refreezing. Another common mistake is not checking electrical connections. Loose wiring means the motor won't get power, so always inspect and tighten connections before winter. The third issue is skipping regular maintenance. Dirty motors or worn-out parts struggle in cold weather, so clean and oil your fan motor before temperatures drop to keep it running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors who actually know how to fix stuff like this without charging an arm and a leg. For contractors, it's a solid way to get leads and build their business by connecting with people who need help with home projects, especially tricky stuff like HVAC repairs in cold weather.